Welcome to Earth's RX Foods, where we explore simple, science-backed ways to improve your health using the power of real food and natural habits. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This content is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Dietary needs vary from person to person. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your eating routine, especially if you have diabetes, a history of eating disorders, are pregnant or breastfeeding, take medications that affect blood sugar, or have other underlying health conditions. What if you only ate once a day? No breakfast? No lunch? No snacks? Just one meal every 24 hours. It may sound extreme, but that's exactly what millions of people are trying through a method known as the OMAD diet. Supporters claim it can simplify eating, promote weight loss, improve focus, and support metabolic health. Critics argue it's overly restrictive, difficult to sustain, and may not be appropriate for everyone. So what's the truth? Is OMAD a powerful fasting strategy? Or simply another diet trend that asks too much of the body? Let's take a closer look. 1. What is the OMAD diet? OMAD stands for one meal a day. It's a form of intermittent fasting where a person consumes all of their daily calories within a single meal, usually eaten during a 1-hour eating window. That means fasting for approximately 23 hours each day. Unlike traditional diets that focus primarily on what you eat, OMAD focuses heavily on when you eat. People may follow OMAD for weight loss, convenience, improved eating habits, or potential health benefits associated with fasting. 2. What can you eat on an OMAD diet? Technically, OMAD doesn't have strict rules about food choices. However, what you eat becomes especially important because you're trying to obtain your daily nutrition from just one meal. A balanced OMAD meal should ideally include high-quality protein, healthy fats, fiber-rich carbohydrates, fruits and vegetables, and ideally, nutrient-dense whole foods. Some examples include grilled salmon with roasted vegetables and sweet potatoes, chicken with brown rice and a large salad, eggs with avocado, fruit and whole grain toast, beans, vegetables, and lean proteins. Food quality matters. 3. Why do people try OMAD? Many people are drawn to OMAD because of its simplicity. Common reasons include to lose weight, reduced calorie intake, fewer food decisions, convenience, less time spent preparing meals, and curiosity about fasting. For some people, eating once daily feels freeing. For others, it feels nearly impossible. 4. Can OMAD help with weight loss? Weight loss is one of the biggest reasons people try OMAD. Eating during a shorter time window may naturally reduce calorie intake. As a result, some individuals lose weight without deliberately counting calories. However, OMAD isn't magic. Weight loss still depends largely on maintaining a calorie deficit over time. And eating one meal a day doesn't automatically guarantee weight loss if calorie intake remains excessive. 5. Potential benefits of fasting. Research on intermittent fasting suggests there may be potential benefits for some individuals. These may include improved insulin sensitivity, better appetite awareness, reduced late-night snacking, support for weight management, and simpler eating routines. However, much of the research focuses on intermittent fasting more broadly rather than OMAD specifically. 6. The challenges of OMAD. While some people thrive on OMAD, others struggle. Common complaints include hunger, low energy, irritability, difficulty concentrating, headaches, social challenges around meals. Eating only once per day can also be difficult during family gatherings, holidays, or work events. 7. Can you get enough nutrients? One of the biggest concerns with OMAD is nutrition. Meeting your daily needs for protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and eating fruits and vegetables can be challenging in a single meal. Poor meal choices may increase the risk of nutritional gaps over time. Careful planning becomes especially important. 8. What about muscle loss? Protein intake plays an important role in maintaining muscle mass. Some experts question whether consuming all of your daily protein in one sitting is ideal for muscle maintenance and recovery. This may be particularly important for older adults, athletes, highly active individuals. Adequate protein intake remains essential regardless of eating pattern. 9. Who should avoid OMAD? OMAD may not be appropriate for everyone. Certain groups should be especially cautious, including children and teenagers, pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, people taking diabetes medications, individuals prone to low blood sugar, those with certain medical conditions. Always discuss major dietary changes with your healthcare provider. 10. Is OMAD better than other diets? Not necessarily. Some people prefer OMAD because of its simplicity. Others do better with 3 balanced meals per day, time-restricted eating, the Mediterranean diet, and moderate calorie reduction. The best approach is often the one that helps you consistently meet your nutritional needs while supporting your health goals. 11. Sustainability matters. One of the biggest questions to ask is, can you realistically maintain this long-term? A diet that works for 2 weeks but leaves you miserable may not be the best solution. Healthy eating isn't just about short-term results. It's about finding habits that fit your lifestyle and can be sustained over time. 12. The bigger picture. OMAD isn't a miracle cure. It's simply one approach to eating. For some individuals, it may support weight loss and simplify daily routines. For others, it may feel too restrictive or difficult to maintain. The key is finding an eating pattern that supports both your physical health and your relationship with food. The OMAD diet has gained popularity because of its simplicity and potential weight loss benefits. But eating 1 meal a day isn't necessarily better, or worse, than other approaches. Success ultimately depends on food quality, consistency, nutritional adequacy, and whether the plan fits your individual needs and lifestyle. There's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to nutrition. At Earth's RX Foods, we focus on simple, science-backed strategies to help you take control of your health. If this video helped you better understand the OMAD diet, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone trying to decide whether eating 1 meal a day may be right for them. Your health is your greatest asset. Fuel it wisely.